Kuthiwa liyabhubha ePrince Mshini maqabane lapha eKZN, liyabhubha ePrince Mshini, kuthiwa kuyibunga kuyimpukane umhlola akunansipho yokuklina ngaphandle kokuba khona kwensipho ke manje kuthiwa nje awekho nalawo manzi, sokuphele u3 weeks manje amanzi engekho ePrince Mshini, kuthiwa liyabhubha. Ninenazo noma Gugu Simelane, uMEC of Health in KZN noSandile Shabalala, HOD we-Health in KZN, hambani ekhaya kubo niyophonsa itshe phezu kwendlu kuzokhala ukhethe, ngoba kusho ukuthi balele obudala ubuthongo. Liyabhubha ePrince Mshini maqabane, kuthiwa i-Bidance book ongayazi. Uma nje uthatha ipatient lakho noma isihlobo sakho i-relative uyihambise ePrince Mshini bese sokuza udokotela ethi yeyi siyamlalisa ukuze ezothola ama-antibiotics athole nama-fluids, kuthiwa funeka uvele ubuyele ekhaya uyoplana umngcwabo ngoba lelo patient lizoshona. Kuthiwa it's a fortress of death and despair, it's a fortress of hopelessness. Amanesi nabodokotela nabo bonke abasebenzi ba-frustrated to the core, bayavuka nje baye emsebenzini ngoba ke phela what can they do, kodwa yikho into abayenza lapha ne-management nayo ihlangahlangene. Kuthiwa nje isibhedlela ongathi asina manager asina CEO. Kuthiwa maqabane liyabhubha. Enina enazi unoma Gugu Simelane, uMEC of Health in KZN noSandile Shabalala, kuthiwa there's no CEO kulesa sibhedlela ePrince Mshini sisemlazi, kuthiwa ayikho ekhona, ayikho ekhona, nale ekhona ayikho nayo. Kuthiwa amanesi nje nabodokotela sebeyavuka baye emsebenzini kodwa bafana nabangekho, ngoba noma ngathiwa u-dehydrated, we need to correct i-hypovolumic shock kuwe as a patient, we are not, they are failing to do that because akuna jelco, akuna syringe, akukho ma-antibiotics. Kuthiwa akukho ke ne-normal saline, nge-normal saline i-drip leyo kwenza ukuthi ube hydrated, i-normal saline ye-normal saline, akuna ringus lactate, akuna half DD, yi-Bidance book ongayazi maqabane. Kuthiwa liyabhubha likaMthaniya liyafa emlazi ePrince Mshini kumapeketwane. Abaphenduli ke ngoxoxela those who are in positions of authority. You write emails, you do everything and say let's sit down and see how can we solve this problem. Lutho ngoxoxele mina ngazi mina nama union lawa se bargaining council enzane, ngoba phela bahlala besihlomela ngokuthi bona bane bargaining power, bahlala besitshela ukuthi bona base bargaining council, yeyi wayinithwa ayikho bargaining council, but ayikho into abayenzayo. Libhubha izwe bebuka, libhubha izwe bebuka. Kuthiwa ePrince Mshini maqabane imibhede imiswe nge-18, imali ayikho, kuthiwa kuyobonakala ngo-April. Instead ukuthi management yenze something to solve the problem, lutho babiza umhlangano, batshela ama-comrades on the ground, batshela abasebenzi bathi hambani nitshela abangani benu abasebenza kwezinye ibhedlela baniboleka ama-jelco, hambani niyofuna ama-syringe, hambani ngey'moto zenu niye kwezinye ibhedlela uma kungukuthi khona nibaziyo lapho nithi abaniboleka ama-vacolite, ama-fluids. Liyabhubha nginixoxeleni mina kuhlehla ufish inkomo idla ifadu. Hambani ninenazo noma Gugu Simelane la MEC of Health in KZN, uSandile Shabalala, HOD bayokhuza umhlola, labhubha izwe, bafa abantwana besilo ePrince Mshini. Sibuka maqabane, ngeke konakele kuphi. We must never allow the system to absorb us to its substandard way of doing things and mediocrity. We must never allow it to render our existence useless. Let's not allow it to reduce ourselves to not. No, my comrade, asingavumini. Kuthiwa ke liyabhubha ePrince Mshini, niwuhlabe niwulawule. Ninenazo noma Gugu Simelane, ngoba phela ama-email abawaphenduli. Mabebuza ukuthi ubani osho zonke lezi zinto, nithi kusho uRithi Nqolugaba ngaphela uMahlamba ahlala etsheni, uPresident we-Health and Allied Workers indaba trade union imambe emnyameni nophapha ekhanda inqoloba negcwele ikhwebeza amanye amadoda egcwele amahleza imbabazane ehaqa amadoda emasendini. Nibatshela ukuthi sizoyi-shut down iPrince Mshini. All the hell is going to break loose because they have proven beyond reasonable doubt ukuthi they are useless. Uhlabe niwulawule maqabane, alikwazi ukubhubha izwe lethu sibuka.